excited. I have good news to share.
You don't get to work?
Not that. I went in search of job as usual, but I didn't get. I stopped by a restaurant trying to get water to drink. Then I overheard them discussing that they need fish. They need someone that supplies fish in large quantity. So I went to them. I told them that I supply fish, that's what I do. They were so excited. They said, okay, they need fish worth 100,000 naira. An idea just flew into my head. Wham! I went down again. I saw another restaurant. I went in there. I told them that I supply fish if they will need. As I speak to you now, I have over 500,000 naira worth of fish to supply.
It's a lie!
Amen!
500,000!
I'm telling you the truth. The people started paying without seeing the goods already, so we need to pay.
For here, Abi, we go travel.
No, for here first, so I go still travel, go find other customers.
Hi!
This one I for here just now.
Hi!
Babe, please be the wife of my dream. Please. We just got married. I wouldn't want us to ruin it before we start. Please.
Oh, come on, honey. Have I done something wrong?
Drugs.
Oh, come off it, Brian. You were very exposed. You lived in America, so I expect you to act like one who lived there.
Laura, I love you so much. I really do. Did you get it? I love you to the moon and back. I can even build you another planet if you want me to. But please stop doing drugs, okay? Right.
I love being high. I can't stop it for any reason. Okay, I promise you, it is not going to affect my quality as a good wife. Trust me. And also, I am going to be so obedient and submissive to you as my husband. As long as you do not block my way to ecstasy.
God, please help me. Help me.
That's it. You will have to give me 5 million naira to replace the bag you burnt. Else, there's going to be war in this place. There's going to be trouble. War. You know, right? I'm going to go crazy if you do not give me the 5 million naira. The money. You do not want trouble, right? I'm sure you don't want it. The money.
So this is not what I bargained for. You people should help me out, please. I'm confused. You people should help me out. Please, I'm dying.
But you can take her to rehab. I believe that something can be done.
Mom, the worst is that she does not want to stop.
Did she tell you that?
Yes. Right into my face. She says she doesn't want to stop. I'm confused. I don't know what to do anymore.
Young man, let me give you a free lesson about life. You see, life is a school. A school that you can never graduate from. When you come to this life, you know nothing. Everything was easy going. Then all of a sudden, you are faced with challenges that you never bargained for. The fact that you are alive now shows that you have won, because you have surmounted all the challenges that confronted you, and you're a better person. So you see, marriage is another phase of life. You need to brace yourself because challenges will be coming, particularly from your wife. Now, what you do is you roll with the punch. You make your stumbling blocks stepping stones. Before you know it, you will discover that you surmounted the challenges and you're a better person. So, young man, win your challenges and be a man that you are.
So this is very difficult for me. I've really tried my best. I'm trying. And I don't know what to do anymore.
Brian, stop wailing. I will not marry your wife for you. Go home and marry your wife.
She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. She got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. She got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament?
We need to do something about this. That boy is going through a lot.
I know what to do. Flora, I'm going to deal with that girl.
Kenneth, I hope you are not planning something for you. That girl is my only daughter.
That girl is your only daughter. That was why you spoiled her. Huh? You spoiled her because you don't want to hurt her.
I know that you will blame this on me. Kenneth, remember, I begged you. I pleaded, I cried to you for you to leave this girl to study here, but you refused. You didn't listen to me because you wanted your children to study abroad. This is what they have graduated to. This is it. This is the result. Your son is yet to be back. We don't even know where he is. And now you want to blame me.
So what you are insinuating is that it is a crime for me to send my children abroad to give them quality education. Is that what you're saying?
You sent them to a country where home training is far from children. And we were not there to guide their path. Look at it. This is what the result is. And you are blaming me. You never listened to me.
I never listened to you. That was how I've been listening to you, and you spoiled them in the name of caring.
This wouldn't have happened if they're in this country.
So didn't you travel abroad? Are you spoiled? No, tell me, are you spoiled? So once somebody travels abroad, the person got spoiled.
Nobody was there to take care of them. Nobody was there to guide them.
Thank you. Anybody that schools abroad gets spoiled. You spoiled them.
If you didn't take them out from this country, this wouldn't have happened.
It's alright. You've gone out of the country before. Are you spoiled?
She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Oh, she got the addiction, she can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is care. Something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. She got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is care. Something.
Nonya? Papa. Whose money is this?
Papa, it's my money.
Nonya, let me ask you. Have you joined an armed robbery gang?
Can I take the food inside, okay? Papa, what's all this now? Go inside. What's all this now, Papa? Why will you always think negatively of me? It's not nice now.
The last time I checked, you don't have a job. Eh? So how would you have such a big money?
Ewo. Nai, where did you get that amount of money from?
It is not my money. I found it in your daughter's room.
Papa, I don't see the reason why you keep searching my room anytime I'm not there. No, it's not okay. I'm an adult. Mama, talk to your husband. No. What's all these ones now?
Look, if you don't start telling me what I want to hear, I will just roast you like a god. You know what I can do?
Papa, it's okay, Papa. I beg you, Papa, I have a job now.
Eh? Job?
Yes, Mama, I have a job now.
Are you for real?
Yes.
And you didn't tell me your mother.
Okay, even if you have a job in an oil company, how could you have saved such a big amount of money in such a short period of time?
Papa, you have little faith. You have little faith. You see, this money is even small. For each 100,000 I make for Kashi, I have 10,000 to myself.
Okay.
One more. So that young man has started making money?
So much, Papa. The last money I made for him was over 1 million naira.
Me? Million?
Chineke me. Hey. So God has started blessing that young man.
Thank God.
Thank God for him. Oh.
Thank God.
Eh? God is now blessing him.
Okay, now that you know the source of my money, can I have my money back?
This money is still under investigation. Oh, have to investigate it properly before it goes back to you.
Papa, which one is the investigation again? It's just 100,000. It's not up to the money I make. If you know you want to have my money, you tell me. I'll gladly give it to you. Papa,
But Nanya, the money is too much for you now, eh?
I have to investigate. Nefu anya na ego ahụ.
Investigator.
Nefu anya na ego ahụ. You are completely losing your mind, though. Just take it easy. This is alcohol.
I've lost it already. Can't you see? Can't you see it, Kevin? I've lost it already. I will not continue with that marriage. I won't.
What do you mean you will not continue with him? No, come on, calm down. It is too early to quit. But something can still be done about it. So just relax.
Then say it. Go ahead and say what can be done. Or do you want me to die before you say what can be done? Can't you see I'm dying already? Can't you see I'm dying?
Just relax, calm down. You are not going to die. See, I think you can convince her to stop taking these drugs. Oh yes, you can convince her to stop taking the drugs. You know how two of you started. I want you to give her that love. That love that you used to give to her the very first time you met her. Just pet her with love, pet her, give her that love. I'm sure she will stop everything about drugs. See, you cannot stop a drug addict with violence. Oh yes, it's only love that can conquer it.
Kevin, I've done everything humanly possible. All to no avail. Do you want me to kill myself? No. I'll end that marriage.
No.
I must end that marriage before it ends me.
I disagree with you, my friend. I disagree with you. Just relax. Everything will be taken care of. Just calm down. Relax.
So now we everything. Our business don't they go seriously wherever. We no go relax, so we still get plenty work to do. Dangote, say you see they find money. So what I want talk be say make we plan. Know how we go bring put more work so that the money go come plenty money. We get supplier for Yoruba. We get supplier for Hausa. We get supplier for Calabar. Our business go viral. Virus.
My man, see, I suggest maybe we get a truck, for easy distribution.
Maybe lie. We get motor and truck.
Yeah, this carriage truck.
Because to send the goods, we need the motor to send them.
Sure. Yes, that's very nice. At this point, I think we need to diversify so we can make more money.
Each one be because they talk to the one where we go to understand now.
Who be we? Who be we?
You know what him
diversify or see.
You know go talk to say you don't know and make it they teach you. Now they do you. What him that's fine. What he be?
Oblo say fly. Oblo understand. Diversify.
That's fine. And waiting he be talk make you hear. I know they like it as they do. Kaka you where you go tell and say you don't know. He teach you now.
No, I don't know.
Bekashi, hold on guys. Okay, I meant we need to get a store in the city so we can start selling feeds. We already have a lot of people that buy fish from us. They are also into this fishery thing. So they can also buy feeds from us. That will make lots of money.
Yes, good idea. But another thing, how do we get the money?
One bag of feed. Money.
Don't worry, that one is not a problem. We can get loan. The business is big already. The most important thing is for us to use the money wisely so we don't rubbish it.
Aye.
As I speak to you now, I have over 250,000 naira fish to supply.
Huh?
That's the order I'm taking now. So we need to get to work.
You don't need to talk. Make you start work. We are working. One thing we are saying, if you talk meeting finish, make a talk and Soma, you don't lie.
Yes.
So me, I want to make we give that new pond. That pond. Give her 2,000 fish.
My man!
2,000 fish for
Thank you. 2,000 fishes. Let's get to work. Walk. Hey, wait.
Easy.
Let's get to work. Take the
other. Take the other.
Get down. Let's keep going.
Now what do you want be this? You should say no be near say this girl they live for America. Been at deport, then deport and come back. Hey! Thank God though. Now God to save my friend from this one. If to say the Kachi mistakenly married this girl, waiting for talk. Chineke, him mathematics, him hero.
Daddy? Did you sack me from the company?
Yes, I did.
Why?
The company belongs to me. And I have the sole authority to hire and fire anyone I wish, anytime.
No, you can't do this to me. Not at this time.
I've already done it. As a matter of fact, I've recruited someone in your place.
What? What have I done? I have not displayed any bad conduct at work. No form of mediocrity. Why the sack then?
Young lady, it is against my company ethics and core values for a top management staff to do drugs.
No, not again. Not again. You can't do this to me. I used all my money to fill up my bag and then Brian burnt it. I have no penny on me. Where do I start?
Young lady, if you want your job back, you know exactly what to do.
Wait, what was that? Daddy, no, you can't do this, Dad. Dad!
She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone.
Where's my money? Where is my 5 million naira? I need it now!
Please, I'm not ready for this, okay?
Please deliver. Are you joking?
Flora.
You think I am joking?
Flora.
Where's my money? Where is my money?
Like I said, I'm not...
Where is my money?
Flora, don't do this. Don't do that! Hey, Flora, where's my money? Where's my money?
Make sure you do not come back to this house without my money. If you don't have my money, don't come back. Don't come back. Where's my money? My money. I need to get my stuff. My money. My money. My money.
Joy, person when no go to school. Na fokwan jamanyalo. Joy, onye na galo school. Na fokwe wananyao. Joy, magano well no. Such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na ife n'ike nụ. It is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty prosiliterate yo. While a day, mana omebu mo benye chetakwa na efine welodo. Neno wanana.
Guys, keep it up. You guys have no reason to be sorry. Huh? Nonya? I see that you don't have any atom of shame in you. Keep on producing babies out of wedlock. And you, Dekachi, if this is the way you will pay me back for all I have done for you, it's all right. It's okay. Okoma and Ambem.
Papa, at least he take us as a bako. So, Mama.
Hey, my father will kill me. What?
No talk like that. He no kill you. Nobody kill you.
What am I going to do now?
He talk what he talk as Papa. You know mean he kill you or he kill yourself.
What am I going to do now? Let me just go before this man kills me.
See, sit down. Huh? You see now, the best time where I do what I say I will do since I don't come. Man, I'll talk. They come.
I'm joking.
I know you no joke. Waiting Papa he can't do. Now normal thing Papa go do. So he make you no cry, yeah?
I just need to go, let me go.
Where you won't go now? Don't go. Close eyes.
Why?
Close them first now. Obey before complaints.
Alright.
Your eye is not closed, oh.
It's closed. Come on, you're wasting my...
I do like this, you see me now. You know closed, Joe.
It's closed. I'm waiting.
Open eyes. Open eyes.
What is this? Do I look like a joke to you?
No be joke, oh. This na fish of love. You see the hibiscus fish.
The kachi.
As I open the fish, I open my heart.
Oh my God!
You like it? Like a bellied inside fish.
Oh, come on, babe.
See, you know, I thank you for everything you do for my life. Since you arrived, things they go well for me. You carry good luck, come on. Me, I be I transport in sports, fish, People know me, and people call me from Boko. I supply fish. People call me from Benue. I supply fish. People call me everywhere. Call me importer and exporter. Now you carry good luck come my side. Eh? So today make you know my papa. You go tell papa say I want married you. I married you. You good woman, good wife.
Thank you.
Me thank you. Thank you.
How did you come up with this?
I'm romantic. I think. And go do something somebody never done. Say me, I think. I say, I put inside fish. Me, I catch for slim. So I would drink. You like it?
That's so sweet. Thank you.
I put bone chook me for hand.
Oh, sorry.
So man, no cry, eh? Sit down and finish our food.
So beautiful.
Are you trying to make the matter worse, or what? Why did you sack her from the company?
Because she cannot be working in my company and be doing drugs at the same time.
Do you know what other staff do in that company?
Look, woman, I wrote this in the standard operating procedure of this company even when Flora was still a young pullet.
She's your daughter.
Of course I know she's my daughter. But she must be sane enough to work in my company. I trained her well. I gave her the best of education. If she must work in my company, then she must stick to the standard of my company. And one of such is not for her to do drugs. If she must do drugs, then she has to look for another company to work. She has a very good CV and she can use that to look for another job. But certainly not my company. Why is she still doing drugs?
You act as if these children are not yours.
Of course I acknowledge they are my children. But I will not allow them to kill me. I never killed my parents. So why should my children kill me?
This has completely gone out of hand. We need to take more serious action on this. Kelvin, you kept on saying something. But at the end of the day, it seems you have said nothing. You are a medical doctor. Tell me what I should do in this matter and I will go ahead and do it.
Good. I want you to take her to rehab. She needs to be medically handled. Oh yes.
Well, what you said is good. You have said well. But I want you to know one thing. I will not take her to the rehab center. It's not my responsibility. I will not be the one to take her to rehab. Never. I won't try it. It's time I take her back home. Let her parents take responsibility of their own calamity.
Yeah. It hasn't got into that now. It's your wife you are talking about here. Your own wife, calamity. No now. What is it?
Kevin, it has gotten beyond that. Oh yes. That girl is a junkie. Married a junkie. Eh? She hid that part of her from me before I got married to her. Now that I've found out, I am not interested. I don't want to marry a junkie. I don't want to have a business with a junkie. I am not interested in a junkie. I will take her back home. Let her parents be the one to take her to the rehab center. I won't try it. I will dare not try it.
Well, you see now, look at me. My hands and my legs is not involved in this issue.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, I am not involved.
No problem. You are not involved. You are involved.
I want to go and take care of my
It's fine.
My
you can
visitors.
Go. I am giving you the 100% permission. Take her to rehab by yourself.
But
I will not try it.
We will see to
I
that
will not
now.
try it. I will not try it. I will not.
what has come over my husband? He doesn't care about his children. If he cares about our son, he would have made moves to bring him back. But he doesn't care. People will laugh at me if anything happens to my son. I need to save my children. No. I need to do something.
Just that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can leave it alone. Boy, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a...
Uncle, you know, say, now you, not only you, now take me as your pikin. And me, I take you as my papa. I no use anything wey concern you play. Anything you tell me I do am. Anytime I anger, you tell me my pikin, you don't do. They do. Eh? I beg. I say make I come beg you. Eh? Make you. I know one anger you. But you see, Nonya, your pikin. That girl, he carry good luck for her, the waka. That girl, if he tell you good morning, you see good luck everywhere. This money, you see me, they make people, they call me. He say make I surprise them fish. Now your pikin, no. Now she give me the corner. Now she call me, he say Dika. He see this fish he do. He say he go make plenty money because he is a like fish, he not a like fish. Sati like fish. Everybody like fish. Say make he tell me plenty things. He make me. I can't say okay. I can't begin do. I can't see plenty money. And he tell me say money. Where I go see money is still they come. But you know, be I say he follow for waiting to make I say make I come beg you. We can't get money. But what I want and tell you, make you no verse. I don't want make you anger. I like your pikin in Onya. No be even like it. Don't they me? I don't they. You see, Nonya. My heart, they call her heart. My heart, he don't see his heart. I say I don't know how I want to make you know this cutlass.
It's all right. You see, I have always been of help to you. What I want to like is you bringing any more shame to my family. That I won't take it. So anytime you need help from me, from this family, I'm very willing to do that.
Uncle, but he born pikin, he no be shame. Now pikin he born, nothing happen. Not be shame. Me, where come, I know bring shame. This place now, my place now. I know bring shame for house. Where be house, where be my own. I bring shame for house. Where be my own. Make I no run for bush. Make I just talk. Make I just tell you. I no be small pikin. As I did so, what I want do. You know, say you don't tell me. Say make I forget Flora. Since I don't see say that they use me play football. Now what you talk that time? You say football. Uncle, make I know they run for bush. Make I just tell you what I want. I no be small pikin. I want make you dash me Nonye. I want married Nonye.
Hey! Oh, yeah, kid, you want you? Who say you get?
No, okay, you want you. I want married Nonye. Nonye na better person. Nonye my heart they call Nonye heart. Nonye carry good luck for head they waka. Good luck they pursue am they run. Good luck they pursue am.
My son, and you see, I call you my son because you are like my biological son.
So
what I will tell you is that marriage is not a small boy thing. It's not a child's play. Let me ask you, have you thought about it?
Uncle, I thought it now. I thought. I telling myself, say, na Nonye.
Oh well, it's all right. I will advise you to go home, and think about it.
Nah, you have me and he said he has thought about it. Thought.
Thought about it.
Are you rushing it
Yes,
today?
I am rushing
Marriage and today. Is it finishing today?
Uncle, I thought about it.
Go home.
Are they sure what I tell you?
It's all right. I know what you said, but go home and think about it before you come back again.
So I come, I carry Nonye.
When you come next time, I will not read saying what you are thinking. You said you thought. So when you go home, as you said you have thought about it, go and sleep over it. So if you come back again, I will know it is true.
Uncle, I don't sleep. Even now I come, I sleep, wake up, say I come tell you. If I go back, sleep. Now I take sleep.
Nah, I have me and he has thought about it.
When he comes back, I'm married for him.
Please, you could happy.
Eunice!
What is that?
What? Where are you going with a traveling bag?
I'm going to look for my son.
But you never told me he's missing.
Kenneth, you don't care about your children anymore. I just noticed you don't care about them. This is unlike you.
Sweetheart, they are not children anymore. Perhaps they turned the way they are because I overcared for them. But as you can see, I am about focusing on myself. I want to enjoy my life to the fullest, lest I die before my time trying to take care of adults.
Okay then, let me go and look for my children.
Eunice, safe journey.
And she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is guys. Something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have
Where is Laura?
She's inside, sir.
Inside?
Yes.
What about her car?
I don't know. She left with the car and came back with the car.
She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality.
Flora. You are doing drugs again in my house?
I sold my car to get my stuff.
What? What did you just say?
You want to give me my 5 million?
Flora, you sold your car to do drugs. Sorry.
When I married my wife, I didn't disturb my father-in-law the way you're doing now.
So the answer is not far-fetched. It's because you did not marry a junkie. Oh yes, and you gave me a junkie to marry as a wife. I don't want it.
Hey, young man, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue. I didn't force my daughter on you. You were the one coming here to beg that you wanted to marry her. Oh, you think I wasn't aware of the number of suitors you fought just to pave way for you to come into my family? You think I wasn't aware? Huh? Now you are here complaining.
That's my mistake. Oh yes, and I admit it. I'm taking full responsibility of whatever that is going on. Sir, please, with all due respect, I don't want to marry her again. I am not interested in your daughter anymore. She sold her car to buy drugs. Who knows? She might even sell my company or even sell me to buy drugs. I do not want her again. I don't want her. I'm done.
You are talking trash. Arrant nonsense. What are you talking about? I was a witness to your pledge, your vow that you were going to live with my daughter for better, for worse. You promised that you vowed actually in the altar of God. Now you are here talking trash? Sorry.
So you are insinuating that I should vow to my dirt? Eh? Sir, please. I used my mouth to pronounce that in the altar of God, for better, for worse. But I will not allow the words to kill me. I am using the same mouth to denounce it here and then. If you want me to go back to the altar, I will go back to the altar and denounce it. I don't want to marry a junkie. I don't want your daughter. I am not interested. I am done.
Brian, I am aware that you are a Christian. A good one at that. The Bible says that what God has joined together, let no man, not even Brian, put asunder. So I am sorry, you have to obey the Bible in this case. Okay?
That same Bible said you should flee from the devil. Run away from the devil for your sanity.
Young man, watch your tongue. I told you before, watch your tongue. Are you calling my daughter a devil? Didn't you know she was a devil before you married her? Now, you have to live with your mistake. You said it's your mistake, and you have to live with it.
Sir, please, I don't want your daughter anymore.
My friend, get out from
I'm
there.
not interested in your daughter
Get
anymore.
out.
Go and take your
You
daughter.
must marry her.
I will not marry her.
Idiot.
I don't go marry. Now by force.
You are marrying.
I don't tire.
Is
I
there a
don't want
question of
again.
you not go marry? You are married already. Idiot.
Person wey no go school na pokwa ncha n'anya o. Ịma na onye na-agala school na pokwa ịwa n'anya n'oyi. Maka na onwela ọnụ, such a person you no get him out. Ndị mmadụ na-anaghị ife n'ike o.
Luchy, see, I've been thinking about this thing that you told me. See, I think you should maybe build a new house, buy a car before thinking of getting married. That's what I'm thinking of.
I thought you too, but it's a good thing, the same good thing where they see another person they see him.
I know.
So if I know married her now, another person feel if I waste time or married her, I know. I thought, but that one no be problem. I go build the house.
But that girl is lucky. That girl is lucky. Can't you see girls in our village? I mean, girls that have given birth. It is hard for you to see a man, a young guy like you, ask for their hands in marriage. She's very lucky. If for the other girls, maybe men will be coming. Those old men will be coming for their second wife or even 10th wife, self.
No talk like that. Now me self go say I dey lucky to get her.
Luchy.
Yes, nan. No, to bomb picking for house na climb. Amadi I go kill you if you bomb picking for house.
No, not
No be. No, the main thing and the person he gets sense. Everything na sense. That girl he gets sense and he carry grace for back the waka.
Grace for back.
Yes, now.
Okay, now back now be the grace.
No be back. Waiting they talk about. Waiting they do.
Yeah, grace they have back. I see the grace. And this fish there, don't grow.
You don't give your own food.
Huh? If you see, don't go there. Now, yeah, I want to retire. I'm tired.
Carry this one, go give your own.
Go give what? Yeah, I'm tired.
Where they go?
Let me go and rest. I'll go sleep.
You know, Nonya is lucky having somebody like Luchy after having a child outside wedlock. Honestly.
She's lucky, as you said. But I had wanted something better for Luchy.
Now, can you listen to yourself? Be happy for your daughter now. Be happy for her.
Yes, I am happy for her. But you see that boy, Luchy, he has been through a lot in life. That I have always prayed that he will get a good wife that will make him forget all his misfortunes in life. But Nonye is very stubborn. I just pray that when she gets there, she will turn a new leaf and behave well, behave good.
Yes, so Nonya is also wise and educated. Even Luchy says that she's the one that helped him. In short, she taught him the business that made him rich. So Luchy should even be happy having Nonya as a wife. Yes.
Okay, you see fear?
Yes.
Okay.
Luchy. Hey, Mama.
See, start thanking the Lord. Thank God you did not fall into the traps of your enemies. I'm telling you. See, I have a news for you. You know Flora? Flora is a junkie. She's a drug addict. As I'm talking to you now, her husband has divorced her. Otara told me. I'm telling you.
Otara, I tell you.
Otara told me. I'm telling you.
Hi. This name where you call now, you don't spoil the headline where you carry come.
How?
Otara, I tell you, make you give her money. You give her money.
I gave him money now, 500 naira.
They don't chop you. Otara don't chop you.
That one not concern me. I gave him that money because of you on your behalf. Madam, please give me one bottle, I beg. Trophy.
You give her waiting.
I gave him the money because of you now, as my friend. The news is for you now.
So you want to make her give you the money back?
Yes, now.
How?
This guy doesn't make sense. I want that one more for my 500. Okay, don't worry. You will give me maybe 100 fishes.
I go give you 100 fishes.
I'm telling you.
Na crab na I go give you. Crab will go chop your ear.
This one, I'm not playing, though.
I'm not for here, I beg.
Please give me. Bring. Oh, I want to go.
I dey wait for people who want
buy fish. Let me open. Let me use that open. Where box? Thank you.
Where you go do magic to make money, you no go do am. Na to use bottled water they open drink.
You taught me now.
I beg that they come make I go my.
These people want to kill me before my time. I have suffered a lot and I've made a lot of money. I put my children through the best schools around. This is not the time for me to bother myself over anything. I have a company that will always generate income as long as I live. This is the time for me to enjoy my life and wait for the day I will die. I think I need to travel to places where I can have peace and enjoy my life. Tanzania, here I come.
Got the addiction, she can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she needs is love, and all she needs is care.